Good rainy Wednesday, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're going to do a little midweek walk around right quick. Getting a lot of work done this week. Hopefully it'll keep being a good week, but let's kind of show you what we got. Can't see it there, it's inside, I'll show you, but we got the Dodge off the rack. Got it inside. We got us a couple new rides from the Copart. Got that little 05, I believe it is, Nissan Frontier. Picked that up from Copart Atlanta West. Alan went and brought it in yesterday. And we got this little Camry. Brought it in Monday, I believe he did. It come from Copart out of Cartersville. So this is a real nice, clean car. Check that out. Got some damage in the back. We're gonna get it fixed up and hopefully have it for sale soon. Let's walk inside here. Got this little Honda here. Just balance, rotate the tires, stuff like that on it. Little Camry in here, still getting cleaned up, polished on. Turning out real nice. A little dust in here, but it's getting shined up. But once it's washed, it'll look real nice. Can't talk. Walking here in a paint booth. Got a little Chevrolet in here. I'm not 100% sure what all was doing to it. I know it was working on the hood hinges. I think they replaced a couple hood hinges. Check it out there. Got the hood hinges open. Get the hood open and closing like it's supposed to. We'll give you a quick walk around this little car. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. Check that out right there. Little 327 4-speed. If I don't fall down in here in the paint booth. Closed up in here tight, it's kind of hard to show it good. Little Impala SS. Like I said, this is one beautiful car. Look at them insides. Real nice. Anyway. One of them you can stand here and drool over all day. Let's walk on in the main shop and see what we got going on while everybody's working. Nissan in here, pretty much got it ready for paint, I believe. Just got to get it in the booth. Junior's working on the Dodge. Getting the quarter panel work. Got the door over there. Like I said, the Nissan, we got the fender sanded, bumpers primed and sanded, fender, hood, all that ready. Right here is the door for the Charger. Got the little Honda Accord going back together. Got the bumper cover on it. Getting the airbags in it. We've got the roof bag. Right there is the old roof bag. We got the new one in. We got to get us a headliner. You can see it's falling loose. We get some material on the headliner, we can get it put back in, then we can get these insides put back together. See, it's coming along real nice. Got body work going on the Camaro, getting it blocked down, sanded. I think he's got this fender and that quarter in the front. He's actually over here working on the other side. Just wiped some mud on this fender. I think he's got the back part just about worked except for the lower part, quarter. Got it coming along real nice. Hopefully get it back in prime again this week. Joey's working on the F100 doors.
For my name.
Your name? What's your name, Joey? Are you Joey?
Yeah.
He getting the F100 doors prepped, ready for jam the inside of the doors. Hopefully get them. You done got the other one, is this the first one? The other one's still over there, got to be dug out. But he's got this and about sanded, ready to go. Drake's over here cracking the whip. He's just going to have to get a stronger whip.
Yeah, you had me worried about where I put them pieces I fried the other day.
Oh, yeah. Was they in the bed?
Yeah.
I looked all over.
You said something like, where did I put them?
I looked all over everything Saturday, but except for the bed. I guess they kind of blended in, too.
Yeah.
We got front pieces working, prime, front balance. Right over here is the hood hinges. I did find them today. Got them in prime, ready to paint. Subaru went home today, actually. Transmission Specialties is I don't know, I'm going to have to call them again tomorrow. They've got the old converter back. I don't know what the deal is on the new one. That's about everything we got going on.
Don't be stopping like
Easy.
Hey.
Hey,
Get to work.
we're on camera. Don't abuse him just yet.
Oh.
Don't want the labor board in here. But anyway, that's what we got going on here at the 256 Garage. Appreciate everybody tuning in. 256 Garage out.